Hey there Cajon Drummers, welcome back to another video here on Cajon Groove Guide. Today we've got another, flies everywhere. Today we've got another beginner lesson and this one I think is going to help with your speed on the cajon. So as always, let's get started with this rhythm nice and slow. Okay, so the groove is pretty slow right now, but you can feel right at the end of the bar, there's that pocket of the faster notes. So I just want to quickly explain those. So if you look at this bar of music, you can see that most of those notes are connected with two lines, right? And those notes are 16th notes, and I practically use them all the time when I play on cajon. They're definitely the most popular. Now, at the end, that little pocket of faster notes, right, are connected with three lines, and they are called 30-second notes. So, if we think of this bar as being divided up, right, those 30-second notes take up less space, right? They are a smaller division of that bar. So what I'm trying to say is, two of those 30-second notes fit inside the space of one 16th note. And that's how it works. That's why it's faster at the end. We're just playing twice as many notes in the same time as what we were playing just before. I really hope that helps. Let's continue on to the next tempo. So why are we practicing this? To bring in my own personal experience, I find that when I change between 16th notes to 30-second notes like that, occasionally I kind of drop the tempo a little bit, or my timing gets a little bit worse. So it's really good practice to continue that perfect time, that perfect pulse, while still changing up how many notes you're playing in that space. So I would say it's just good training for your timing, and of course, as the tempo gets higher, it's good training for our speed as well. And of course, all of this gets extra important when we start playing fills, right? So maybe the music is changing from the verse to the chorus, and we put in this little part we call a fill, right? Maybe I'm gonna change from 16th notes to 30-second notes for that fill, verse, dagga 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 dagga, chorus, right? But maybe in that space I've sped up or slowed down a little bit, and that's not so good for the music. So this is excellent training, I think, for things like fills, that sort of thing. Okay, so let's bring up the tempo one more time. And so that's it for this exercise. Play it at a high tempo to work on your speed. Play it at a low tempo to perfect your timing. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a like. Let me know what you thought. If you have any comments, questions, leave them down below this video. If you'd like to see more videos like this in the future, feel free to subscribe to my channel here on YouTube. And a quick side promotion, I'm really interested in Instagram at the moment. I'm uploading a lot of behind the scenes from videos just like this. So feel free to head over there and follow at CajonGG. So anyway, thank you very much for watching. Have an awesome day, enjoy practicing, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Bye.